We chose Lightning because they were recommended on the Tesla website when we went through to that. From the first contact, they were great. They were very responsive. They organised to come out for a site visit really soon after we made contact, and then Trent was very responsive via emails while we worked through exactly what we wanted in our system. And then when it passed through to the office staff, they were also great at communicating with us in terms of when our delivery was going to be in our installation. From the first phone call we had with Trent, I was really impressed by his responsiveness. Whenever we would make a request to change something in the configuration of our installation, he would get onto it straight away and get back to me with a new quote. He was great with suggestions for what we could do here at our site. We really found him great to deal with. Would have no hesitation in recommending Lightning to any of our friends or family who wanted to install solar panels. The process was great from start to finish, and with the big system that we've got on here, we're really looking forward to seeing our next power bill.